In Fergus, you can customize your profile color and photo, making it easy to identify users on the calendar screen and throughout the platform. Let's walk through how to change your own profile color or picture first. Head to the top right corner of Fergus and click your profile photo, then select Change Avatar. To choose a profile color, click the drop icon. A color picker will appear. Click anywhere in the band to pick a base color, then drag within the larger box to fine-tune your selection. To upload a profile photo, click Choose Photo instead, then select your image. Use the slider to zoom in and click and drag to reposition. Once done, you'll see a preview of your new profile photo. Your photo will now appear across the website and Fergus Go app, and your selected color will highlight your events in the calendar view. Now, let's look at changing the color or image for other users. Remember, to do this, you must have access to the Fergus settings page in your permissions. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then select Users on the left-hand menu. Find the employee you'd like to update and click their name. Then click the pencil on their profile icon. From here, the same photo and color picker tools will appear, just like when updating your own profile. And that's it, a simple way to personalize Fergus and keep your team easy to spot on the calendar.